Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add grid lines to chart in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have data, product name and total price. So here I'm going to create first chart, and then I show you how to add the grid lines in different way. Okay, to create the chart, simply select the data. You just drag with the mouse and select your entire data. Go to the Insert tab in Charts group. I select here the column chart and select here the first column chart, and here you can see the column chart is inserted. With the Chart Design tab and Format tab. If you want to increase the size of chart, just drag the corner point of the chart and you can see you can easily increase the size of the chart. Okay, so these are the grid line. You can see here the line is showing. Okay, these are the grid lines. Okay, you can easily change the grid line thickness, grid line color, grid line style. So let's see how it's done. Simply click on the charts and go to the chart design. In chart layout, click on the first option, add chart element. Then click on the grid lines option. Okay, then click on the more grid lines option. And here you see the format major grid lines. You can format your grid lines here. So first I show you the increasing the thickness in width. The 0.75 pt is default thickness showing of grid lines. If you want to increase this, click on the up arrow and you can see the changes in chart. The thickness is increasing of grid lines. Okay. If you want to change the color of the grid line, in color option, click on this drop down arrow and select the color those you want. And here you can see the grid lines color is changed. If you want to change the line type, so dash type line you can also add here. Just click on this arrow and select here the line those you want to add in the grid lines. Okay, here the being arrow type. Okay, in arrow type line also you can select, just click on this arrow and here you can see you can being the starting with the arrow type line also showing. Okay, being arrow size, you can change the arrow size also. So I select this size and see the size is increasing. End arrow type, the end line is the arrow type. If you want, then click on this arrow and here select the end arrow type this way. If you want to increase the size of this arrow, again drag end arrow size. You can change the size of end arrow. Click on this arrow and select the size is this. I select this last one and you can see the size of arrow also increase. Okay, so this is a way you can add the different types of grid lines, and with the different formatting also apply on the grid lines. Okay. And if you want to remove this grid line, you can easily remove this grid line. In lines option, just click on the no line and that's it. Here you can see your grid lines is removed. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.